Daily beer. आप करो ना. Say daily beer review time. You do it. Now this is your third one.
Daily beer review time with Sujay.
No, you do the entire thing. It's fine. Okay. I score. You say we score beers out of 100. Okay. Do it again.
Okay,
Do it again. Okay.
okay. Daily beer time with Sujay, and we score beer on 100.
Okay. Good enough.
And I am a chartered accountant to score that.
Okay. Yeah. You're good with numbers.
I'm very good.
You're good with numbers.
Yeah.
We have with us the Udaipur Pilsner at Malibu. We are still at Malibu.
Yeah.
The brew house, Udaipur Pilsner. I think he's at about 5 to 5.5% ABV, 330 ml, same whatever 420 rupees approximately.
Sub 420
Sub
में.
sar. Brewed over here. It's a microbrewery. Enjoyed the wit beer. I don't know which episode will go out when.
Okay.
So the Udaipur Pilsner. Now Pilsner is something more Germanic.
I know.
It's from Prague, like
Prague, yeah. More
Czechoslovakian.
from
Has to be more malty.
from the old Russia type.
It's cloudy. When you see a beer, do you care about like if it's cloudy, hazy, clear, or anything like that?
No, I like more clear ones.
Those are lagers. Lagers are more clear.
Lagers, but I also enjoy, like we enjoyed the first one. That was also a little
Yeah.
cloudy.
Yeah. So wheat beers are supposed to be cloudy. They are
And I love wheat beer.
also they're unfiltered. So that's why it's cloudy. It's unfiltered or unprocessed.
Yeah.
So I guess this is also a good thing. It's unfiltered. It's a crafty thing, right? I smell it for malty. I guess it kind of smells malty.
Yeah. Malt and something.
Some fruit.
Some fruit is there.
Some fruit is there. Yeah.
Huh?
Well,
Fruity.
cheers.
This one is nice. Eh?
It's nice.
I liked it.
But it's well, it's sour. Some sourness is there.
But I like something sour. So on a personal note, I will like it.
it. I think it's one of that craft.
Yeah, it's a craft.
I can taste the
But it's a little heavier than the other beers.
just to drink.
Yeah, when I took the first sip,
Oh.
I found it to be a little heavier.
Heavy as in what?
Heavier in sense, more
Just dense.
dense,
dense
more
to
dense.
drink.
Yeah, more dense to drink. Yeah.
Yeah. There's some grain flavor coming to me. I'm sure it's just
It has a grain and a fruit flavor, for sure. We can ask them what.
it's either rice. No, it's rice or
It's not wheat for sure.
no, it is wheat.
It has mix of wheat
It's
and
wheat.
rice.
Yeah, a little bit of wheat and a little bit of rice, maybe. 100% wheat flavor is coming. It's wheat, yeah.
But fruit,
I'm not sure what fruit. But it's nice. I like the malted barleys or whatever, and whatever the fruit, the craft elements of it, whatever they're going for.
the fragrance is also good.
I like that. Yeah, just a little bit of extra. Also, bitterness. First of all, bitterness is very low for a pilsner.
Yeah, very very low.
Bitterness is very low.
I actually don't find it.
Yeah.
bitter.
It's coming a little bit from the back, but it's fine. Like it's very drinkable. All of their beers are very very drinkable.
Very drinkable, no
Yeah.
doubt. And this is a nice one.
I'm going to get banned off YouTube, and I know it. You know why? All the music.
Music.
Have all this music playing. Because how many breweries I'll go to, every brewery I'll go to will have this music playing.
Yeah,
So it's going to be a problem. Anyway, three reviews, it's fine. What do you want to chug it or you want
chug
to
it first.
No, have you enjoyed it, no?
No, I will chug it.
No, but have one more sip. You enjoyed it, so I don't want to force people to chug it.
Yeah.
You can still enjoy and you can still talk.
No. Yeah.
You have to leave.
Chug karna hai.
You have to leave. You have to party more tonight.
We can
a
chug it.
lot of partying to do. Okay. Remember, आप बोलिए. Say, remember, I'm not an alcoholic.
Remember, I'm not an alcoholic. I'm a chartered accountant. He is also not an alcoholic. We are just doing it for you.
Wow, so good. Good job.
Okay. Ah, chilled to the end.
Chilled and very fizzy. It's very fizzy.
No, I think apple cider was most fizzy.
It was more fizzy.
Yeah,
It
this
was.
is better.
Oh no, it tastes much better.
Yeah,
This
much
tastes
better,
much
much
better.
better, much.
Now it's getting, it's
You
Udaipur.
chugged, but I left.
It's December in Udaipur. It's kind of getting cold. I'm still in my linen shirts and shorts. So you can't see it. I'm in shorts right now. But I like this temperature, you know?
And that's good because you are half my age.
Yeah. No, but you know what? In Bombay, I never get to experience this kind of weather.
Yeah,
When we went to Kashmir and when I came to Delhi that time, to your place, it was very cold in Delhi as well.
yeah.
But I was still roaming around without jackets and all because I was like, I don't get to experience this in Bombay. I want to feel cold.
Yeah.
In Bombay, it's like it's all so hot and humid all the time. So bugs are coming out.
No, but Udaipur weather is very good
Very good.
and it's dry. The best thing is
It's
it's
dry.
not humid, it's dry.
So whenever you want to do
Very-
weddings over here, you can wear all your heavy clothes and get married over here.
Yeah.
That's the point. That's the benefit of coming to Rajasthan for weddings. Out of 100, what would you give it?
I will give it about 85.
I think you like the wheat beer more than this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like.
I like the wheat beer more than this.
I'll
But
give it 85.
it's still a very, very good beer.
Very good beer. Very
It's-
good beer.
it's a very good
I liked it,
Pilsner.
Yeah.
Very good Pilsner. This
Very-
didn't, this
very
didn't have the
nice.
soda flavor. Just a little bit of grains. That's it.
Yeah.
But the craft elements of it are very, very good. I will give this Udaipur Pilsner 78 out of 100. आप भी कर सकते हो. You have one sip left, but it's fine.
Okay, I'll have it.
Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.